Welcome to the cooking school. Here I will teach you how to make apple soup. Phase 1. The tools.
What the fuck is this?
Now, the apples. Nope. Yep, apples. First, we want to chop up the apples with a knife.
You goddamn apple man, I'm telling you.
That just broke the window? Oh my god.
What is this?
Phase 3. Clean up the mess.
What is this?
Phase 4. Make sure all the apples are chopped up.
This apple. This apple is.
Next phase, we put all the apples in the big pot.
Aha! This mess. How do you get it in the pot? Ah! Huh? What? This apple pot.
God damn it. Yes. No. Let's put it down. What the? Eh? Next phase, we need some water. Gently lower the pot into the sink. Make sure you don't touch the sides.
and then put it down.
Then gently turn on the water. Gently turn off the water when the pot is full.
Yeah, man.
Now find the cooker and place the pot gently on the cooker. Find the right knob and turn it on. Like so. To ensure the soup is nice and smooth, we should use a mixer. Where is that mixer?
Nope.
There it is. Gently turn the mixer on. Very slowly lower it into the apple soup. Leave the blender to cook for a while and make sure the apples are all smooth and cooked. In meanwhile, you might want to add some flavors. Coconut milk
Sounds yummy.
For super extra smooth apple soup, we want to use the blender. Very carefully pour the content into the blender. Make sure the pot is empty. Start the blender, press the on button. Stop the blender, press the off button. Now our soup is nice and smooth. Now to the serving part. Before serving, make sure to add the necessary spices. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, I want to be the spice. Gently add the spice to the food. Now find the necessary bowl or the deep dish to serve the food. Yes. Very carefully pour the soup into the bowl. Almost ready. Shh. And this is how you make apple soup.